You understand? Down to up. And in the previous one, it was coming from up to down. Are you getting my point? Very simple. Yeah, if it is a downstroke, then you are coming from up. If it is upstroke, you are coming from down. Is it clear? I hope it is clear to you. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So now quickly moving towards my, that page, right? And today is which day? Yes, Prayas? Today is which? Day 2, right? So I'm going to write day 2 on the top. Similarly, you will also write day 2 on the top. And then we'll start. Day. Okay. Day 2. And I'm going to do the downstroke first. Which stroke?
Downstroke.
Great. For downstroke, please help me where I should put cross.
Ma'am, from the topmost to the second black line.
Okay. So should I put cross here?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Very nice. Okay. Now let's see how it goes. Right? So it is like, I just changed it. Wait. It is like this, right? Downstroke. Am I correct? Yes. Am I correct? It is coming from the top and it is coming to the bottom. Is it clear? Yes, Prayas? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to make it from here and slowly coming down. Then again, I'm going slowly coming down. My distance is equal. Can you see? Almost equal distance I should make. You got my idea? See, it should be very symmetrical. It should be very clear that you are making the stroke up to down. Is it clear? Yes, Prayas? Yes. So we are going to make like this. Okay. So you are going to make 3 lines with the same clarity, right? At least 3 lines and leave that page. Leave that page because rest you will do for your homework. Got my point? Prayers, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So what you have to do, just make it symmetrical, very simple. We should take care of the red lines. The topmost one I am using because I am, starting from there. And then the black line, second one, third one. But I am not using the last red line. So I have put a cross over there. Very simple. Got my idea? So,
yes, ma'am.
Great. So at least write, 3 lines for it. Great. Once you are done, give me thumbs up. I'm also doing along with you. Starting from the red one and slowly coming down to second black line. Very interesting. And the name of the stroke is downstroke because we are coming in the down direction. It's a basic stroke. There are certain strokes for which we can give name by ourselves also according to our ease. That is no problem, right? So here I can see this arrow is coming down. That is why we are calling it a downstroke. Basic stroke. But yes, if I want to give a particular name, then yes, it is a downstroke because it is coming from up to down. Why it is not done? Very nice. Great. Okay. After finishing the session, you can send me the clips. Okay. Now, I want to move towards the next one. And what was the name of that stroke? Upstroke. Very simple because I am coming towards, you know, in the direction in which I am moving, that is the upward direction. Very simple. Okay. So here, if I say I'm moving in upward direction, then what do you think? Which line I should use?
Ma'am, the lower red line to
Hmm.
the uppermost black line.
Okay. So if I say that I'm putting a crossover here, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And if I say that it is going to be, say, suppose like this, then am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the idea is, prayers, uh, we are just getting an idea here that, we are starting from this red line. But in case when, we write different letters and we touch this line, these strokes are basically making your pencil comfortable on the lines. As such, sometimes we won't make any letters on, this lowermost red line, hardly, right? Idea is that, hardly we make, I'm again saying it, hardly we make any letter on this lower line. Why we are doing the stroke? We are just doing the stroke to make ourselves, comfortable with writing on lines. You understand? Now I have started from this point to this point. Am I correct? What do you think? Am I correct?
Ma'am, can we go again?
Yes, I shall be doing it for you again. So I am writing it like this. Am I correct?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what should I supposed to do then?
Ma'am, from the lower line to upper.
Great. So this stroke basically making your pencil to move from up to down direction and then down to up direction. You understand my point, Prayas?
Yes, ma'am.
My point is that we are very much comfortable with our right hand, but we are less comfortable with our left hand. These strokes are actually making you comfortable both the ways. You understand? Going from
Yes,
top to bottom and bottom to top. When I say I have a beautiful handwriting, I'm so sorry. When I say I have a beautiful handwriting, it means my pencil move in a way in which it should be moved, isn't it? That is what
yes,
I'm saying, right? So how beautiful your pencil is moving, that is what making your handwriting look nice. And that is because of the strokes which you make. You got the idea? So
yes, ma'am.
one is from top to bottom and this one is from bottom to top. Very simple. Again, 3 lines for this stroke. Once you are finished, give me thumbs up. I hope you are writing in a way in which it is required to be because I cannot see your video. Okay.
Yes,
So yesterday we had done 5 strokes, 5 different strokes, right? These two down and up, these are very basic, but they are reverse. Okay. Yesterday we didn't done any reverse stroke. This is a reverse stroke, isn't it? One time it is coming from up to down and one time it is going from down to up. So it is a reverse one. Very simple. And this stroke is maximum use in your handwriting, right? जब लिखोगे आप, then you will realize that this basic step is used mostly in your handwriting. So making yourself comfortable both in same and reverse direction, right, with symmetry, very important. Just making line is easy, but making the lines with symmetry, and I hope you are doing with the gel pen, isn't it?
Yes.
Great. So without smudging, because gel pens smudge, so avoid the smudging. Smudging is nothing but that, zigzag inky pattern, which happens sometime when we, write very near. Write near, but without smudging. Okay? Great.
I'm done.
Very nice. Good. Okay. So downstroke and upstroke. Now let's have a look at few more. Let me share the screen with you. Let's have a look, let's do it further. So this is, I believe, is clear to you, right? We are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
from down to up. We are coming from up to down.